What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to Hustlepedia. We're going to get into another small cap altcoin project today that I'm super bullish on long term, and it's getting a little more publicity as of late in the blockchain gaming sector, and I want to make sure we talk about it here and that the community is able to take a look and get involved if they so like to. I am not an investment advisor. As always, I am just here to bring you my honest opinion on projects going on around the blockchain to see if it's worth adding to my or your portfolios long term. So let's go ahead and get into today's altcoin, which we're looking at Project Quantum, sitting at a market cap of 17.28 million. In perspective, Gala, one of the kings of play to earn gaming coins right now in terms of market cap, they are sitting at an $800 million market cap. This has a 40x potential on market cap if this does materialize potentially. So let's go ahead and take a look at Project Quantum, and let's look at the gaming sector first. 3.8 billion market cap for Axie. They are running the gaming play to earn space, and if you're new to play to earn games, it's basically gaming video games that are play to earn cryptocurrency, or they have to do with NFTs where you purchase an NFT to start playing. So it's either way, but a lot of these have been seeing so much growth this year, and play to earn games are in, as developers call it, year zero. So we're going to get into why I really like Project Quantum for the same reasons that I like Gala. So let's go ahead and get into it. So if you're new to the channel, drop in and hit that subscribe button. We come out with brand new videos every single day on the channel on cryptocurrency and altcoins, and be sure to smash the like button if you enjoy the video. It really helps my videos get out in front of new viewers just like yourself, and I would really appreciate it. So as you see here, Project Quantum's not even sitting at 1 cent, $17.2 million market cap. And as we talked about Gala at an $800 million market cap, this coin has 5x over the last couple of weeks, and we did cover this on our last blockchain gaming video. Project Quantum is... Now, Gala has games out. So Gala has playable games right now with a long-term scope of games to release that are going to be better games. Project Quantum is aiming to be one of those AAA gaming studio type of games. They are built on the Unreal 5 engine. If you don't know, that is the same type of engine that like Fortnite was built off of, and a bunch of very good games and corporations use this for literal visual projects. It's built by Epic Games, the Unreal Engine. So they will be running on Unreal, which is one of the best engines to be running on in all of the gaming space. Powered by crypto, Project Quantum, taking AAA gaming into the 21st century with their unique IP powered by Unreal 5 with cryptocurrency at the core of the economy. Our unique model allows players to enjoy instant open world expansion, exploration, intense high-stakes PvP and PvE combat, unrivaled customization, all while being able to earn and win while play. And this little excerpt stuck out to me. Project Quantum is a looter shooter where everything you acquire can be traded for the real-world currency QBIT, which is Project Quantum, QBIT. Jump into a game, gather as much as you can, then get out before something gets you. High-stakes shooter, treasure hunt to the death, deep customization, a real economy where you go to what they call it the Jericho free market in exchange for qubits. So that's awesome to see. High stakes shooter. So you launch your squad into the wilderness and you're basically fighting for your rewards in qubit, which is absolutely awesome. And it's the future of gaming. I'll say it over and over again. Play to earn is the future of gaming. Imagine if you play Fortnite or like Warzone and you buy a skin, what does that do for you in real life, right? Like, okay, perfect. We're looking at a skin right here. You have this character, right? Super cool looking character. But if you buy it on like Fortnite, it's worth nothing. It's literally worth nothing once you make that transaction. So on the blockchain, what games are trying to strive to do is make those assets tangible for you to be able to flip and earn off of on your games, because the things you do have in video games, the assets you acquire with your assets should be yours, right? So it is going to be awesome to see ownership in these games of your skins, of your characters, of whatever you are collecting in these games, whether it be if they're NFTs or like this, where you just go to the marketplace and you strictly just trade them for QBIT, which is the official token of the project. So awesome perspective that they have and like scope that they have on this game. This is years away from release, guys. 2022, it literally just says we're going to be transparent and lay out the roadmap. Continued game development, consolidate prototypes, and begin production in full. And the listing on major exchanges. As we see right now, Project Quantum, guys, is only on PancakeSwap. So that's like, it's still in super low volume, 173,000 over the last 24 hours. You know, to me, once this gets listed on the KuCoins and the Krakens and that type of exchange, it's going to only get more publicity and more volume, and you're going to see this price and market cap start rising. And this project has so much going for it behind the project itself, and I want to get into this. So the QBIT will fuel the in-game economy of Project Quantum. They are awarding players with unique in-game items for investing in their crypto. So if you invest in their crypto, and once the game releases, I'm sure there will be an incentive program, basically like you can probably stake your QBIT in the game or something to earn free stuff in the game, I would assume. Maybe something like that. That's just what would pop into my head as my first idea when I read that. Project Quantum is being developed with Unreal 5 as an open-world first-person looter shooter. The game is set to feature both player versus player and player versus enemy, like computer, where you can play single player. The team behind the game includes several people with experience in the industry. This is my most bullish perspective. Not only are they trying to come out with a shooter that is a blockchain game, everyone knows like Call of Duty, Fortnite, those games do traditionally a lot better than other type of games, especially the types that are on the blockchain right now, that are like MMO type of games that are very, very boring, or society, like Farmville type of games. So let's take a look at the team that has tons of experience. Magnus Stone, previous work at Sega and 4J Studios. Sega, a giant in the initial wave of like, at least my lifetime, when gaming was big, Segas were big. Jason Tennant, also a director for the game, has worked for Crackdown 3 and Halo Master Chief Collection. Everyone knows the success of the Halo franchise. Shadi Safadi is consulting art director for Project Quantum. His previous work includes the various Uncharted games, BioShock Infinite, a massively successful game, and The Last of Us 1 and 2. Absolute, like, those got so much publicity in the Twitter, like, mainstream gaming media when those games all came out. Jamie Magnus is the lead world builder for the game and served as the director for the last 2 series of Doctor Who. And potential investors should note that Project Quantum is nowhere close to coming out, and there's no release window for the game. So this is key, and I mentioned that a couple times. We are trying, if you are investing in Project Quantum today, you are trying to front run that potential 20, 30, 40x growth that this project could legitimately see years down the line. Do I legitimately think this project has that potential? Yeah, I do. I really do. You look at Axie Infinity. You look at projects like Gala, who is still super young. They're a studio that's developing a lot right now. But it's not. But the thing about Gala is they're already there. They're at 11 cents. Let's take a look at their growth. We already have the chart up here. They started at 2 cents. Or no, wait. Yeah, they started at less than 1 cent. Same kind of thing about a year ago. And Project Quantum was just listed in June. So we are early here, guys. And Gala is a gaming studio. So maybe it won't 40x in the time span that Gala did. Because this is based off of one game's economy, QBIT, but this really does have 10, 20, 30x potential. And if you watch my channel, you know I am not the type of guy to sit here and tell you every single coin is a 30x potential type of coin. This one here, in my opinion, seriously is. The real world economy, the play to earn economy in blockchain games is legitimately only getting started. And this is not going to go away. I mean, blockchain games, this is year 0 as Gala head. I forget his name. The head of Gala, he speaks in a lot of interviews on the blockchain gaming stuff. he's talked about it multiple times. It's not even year 1 for blockchain games. It's year 0. So you're getting in front of a wave that is going to hit crypto and blockchain and gaming world in the next few years like a tsunami, and you're already going to be deep in the water. You were in the water when it was not even making any noise. So this is a great time to take a look at a project like Project Quantum, take a look at its tokenomics, and take a look at its team like we just did here, and make a decision whether or not it's worth adding to your long-term portfolio. This is not something that if it goes down next week, I'm not pulling my investment. If it goes down in a month, we're in it for years, because this project is only going to gain hype, gain steam, get more development behind it, only more news. We're going to start seeing gameplay. We're going to get close to that release date, and this is going to explode. I'm very confident in that on this project. The team is extremely vetted, and I'm excited for the future of blockchain games. I'll bring y'all more blockchain gaming gems like these if it's something that y'all enjoy on the channel. Obviously, the main goal for all of us here, y'all are here to try to get some information to help you make money in your portfolio. And I do think NFT gaming is one of the biggest spaces right now, up and coming, and we'll continue to cover it if there's a demand for it. And I know there's a demand for profits, and that's what we're looking to acquire. I am not a financial advisor. I am just telling you exactly what I am seeing with Project Quantum. And with the team behind it, this has 30 to 40x potential, especially when we're talking market cap. We're not even at 1 cent yet. This thing has so much room to go, and I'm super excited for the future of Project Quantum. Let me know your thoughts down below on this project. Do you have some QBIT in your portfolio? Do you think the future of blockchain games is bright? How big do you think Project Quantum can get? I know a couple people in the comments over the last week had asked me about QBIT, and I told them I love it and I will cover it. So here you go. Very bullish, legitimate 30x potential, and I will keep touch with this as it grows and as the project gets closer. Y'all have a great rest of your night, guys. 3 videos today. I'm going to take it easy the rest of the night. I'll be back tomorrow, probably tomorrow morning, with how the markets have been. We'll update you on the markets, update you on where ADAX is, and we'll get you ready for the Cardano Summit coming up this weekend, which I will be virtually attending, and I will also keep y'all up to date. If there's demand, guys, I might even do some sort of Cardano Summit type of virtual world live stream. I know there's like a virtual world. I'll be able to go in and do different things. If there's demand for it and people would like to see it, I will be happy to stream it. We can talk Cardano, ADAX, Sunday Swap, anything in the Cardano blockchain, anything in the blockchain at all. So let me know down below your thoughts on that, your thoughts on QBIT. I'll be back tomorrow, guys. You'll have a great rest of your night. Peace.